State reorganization in India and Union Territories. State reorganization in India and Union Territories. Introduction. The reorganization of states in India is a significant aspect of the country's political history. It involves the division, merger, and creation of states and union territories. The process has been driven by various factors, including linguistic, cultural, and administrative considerations. This article will delve into the historical context, major reorganization events, and the creation of union territories in India. Historical background. India's princely states, British India, and the demand for linguistic states played crucial roles in shaping the map of post-independence India. Here's an overview of these aspects. Princely states. Before independence in 1947, the Indian subcontinent was divided into British India and numerous princely states that were not directly administered by the British Crown. After independence, the task of integrating these princely states into the newly formed Union of India was a significant challenge. British India. British India was divided into provinces, which were further subdivided into districts. The boundaries of these provinces were often based on administrative convenience rather than linguistic or cultural factors. Demand for linguistic states. One of the most significant factors that led to state reorganization was the demand for linguistic states. People argued that states should be organized along linguistic lines to promote better governance and cultural harmony. Major reorganization events. Several major events in India's history have led to the reorganization of states. Some of the most notable ones are the States Reorganization Commission, 1953. The States Reorganization Commission was established in 1953 to recommend the reorganization of states in India based on linguistic and administrative factors. This commission played a pivotal role in the formation of linguistic states. Andhra Pradesh formation, 1953. One of the first linguistic states, Andhra Pradesh, was created in 1953. This set a precedent for the formation of states based on language. Reorganization of Bombay Presidency, 1960. The Bombay Reorganization Act, 1960, led to the division of the bilingual state of Bombay into Gujarat and Maharashtra based on linguistic lines. Formation of Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh, 1966. Punjab was divided into two states, Punjab and Haryana, in 1966. Himachal Pradesh was also carved out of Punjab during the same period. Northeastern Reorganization, 1972. The Northeastern Reorganization Act, 1971, led to the formation of new states and union territories in the northeastern region to address cultural and ethnic diversity. Formation of new states, 2000. In 2000, the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Uttarakhand were carved out of Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh, respectively. Telangana formation, 2014. In 2014, Telangana was created by bifurcating Andhra Pradesh, following years of agitation and demand for a separate state. Creation of union territories. Union territories in India are regions with a special administrative status. They are directly administered by the central government. There are two types of union territories. Union territories with legislatures. Delhi, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Delhi is a unique union territory with a legislative assembly and a lieutenant governor. It also serves as the national capital of India. Puducherry, Karaikal, Mahe, Yanam. Puducherry is another union territory with its own legislative assembly and chief minister. Union territories without legislatures. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Lakshadweep. Ladakh. Ladakh was created as a union territory in 2019, following the bifurcation of the former state of Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Constitutional provisions. The reorganization of states and the creation of union territories in India are governed by various articles and provisions in the Indian Constitution. Some of the key provisions include Article 1. This article defines India as a union of states. It lays the foundation for the creation, alteration, or abolition of states. Article 2 and 3. These articles empower the Parliament to admit new states, establish new states, or alter the boundaries of existing states. However, it requires the President's prior recommendation to initiate such changes. Article 4. This article deals with laws made for admission or establishment of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries, or names of existing states. Article 239 to 242. These articles pertain to the administration of Union territories. They differentiate between Union territories with legislatures and those without. Article 371. Special provisions for several states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Nagaland, and others have been made under Article 371 of the Constitution. Conclusion. State reorganization in India has been a complex, politically sensitive, and historically significant process. The creation of linguistic states, division of larger states, and the establishment of union territories have all been aimed at improving governance, cultural harmony, and administrative efficiency. It's important to note that state reorganization continues to be a subject of debate and consideration as the country evolves and addresses new challenges. Thank you.